see. If you love what you do like me, it's your destiny. So let's stay heavily involved. The problems we will solve as I'm just singing off of the paper. Stay heavily involved, and you will just involve to every person, friends, and your neighbors. Let's keep going. So as you all just listen to me, we are blessed by God in spirituality. And we will grow with prosperity. And I will say we can do these songs so easily. So I say to my friends and my neighbors, I am a certified player. And I will keep going with the song. So now as you are clapping, some of you might do rapping, but it's the time for you to sing along and let's prosperity. Prosperity.
Prosperity.
That's something that I wish for, maybe you and me.
Prosperity. Prosperity.
Prosperity.
Prosperity.
That is something I wish for you and me. Now you're a player, and yes, you are certified. Now you can clap your hands and sit just side by side. So I think we sang all the words, and now we're done. We had some fun, and my name's Brother Rover's son.
Yeah.
And now I think we're finished up, and we will hurry up, and I will grab a pen. Let's let the signing begin, because you all want things to be just signed. So let's just do it now. It is signing time.